Hey Chad, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Jessica and I told her that I would send you the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out. And often, when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your site. And so right away, I see that your site is not secure. So that should definitely be a number one priority. This should be an easy fix. You usually just have to buy an SSL certificate from whoever hosts your website. And so we can go through really quickly. It looks pretty good. However, I did do a word counter search, and you guys right now have 820 words. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors, but one of those key factors is going to be content, and you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on here. So we definitely want to add in a little bit more content. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they are going to crawl through your site, read the content, and determine whether or not the content will help Google users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content is filled in with the appropriate amount of high volume and targeted keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. Over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is water damage restoration, Lafayette, Louisiana. This is a really great keyword. It brings in 300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers every month, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar, right here is typically where we're going to see Google ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if done incorrectly, you can actually waste quite a bit of money on them. But if done correctly, they are definitely a good way to get things moving quickly. And so underneath where the Google ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. This is a great spot to be. Gets you right at the top of the first page. However, in order to do that, you have to make it in one of these top 3 spots. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all examples of highly trusted directories that people use a lot. And so you want to be on those kind of directories, and you want to be on more of them than these 3 businesses are right here. And so if I scroll down, here I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be the primary area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment, and that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to click on one of these organic search results. And so you definitely want to focus on that. Right here is the first company website that pops up for this keyword. So we can actually take a look really quick. And so I did a word counter search on the site as well. They actually only have a little over 800 words as well, so they're right there with you. Obviously, it would be very easy to beat them out content-wise. However, the main way that you're actually going to get up here at the top of the organic search results is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just like a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered and relevant sites. So for instance, if a local plumbing company or construction company, if they were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring your site some more power. Over here, I've jumped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. I highly recommend it if you are ever trying to do this on your own. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $400 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. Like right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at. I can see that they have 277 backlinks from 75 different domains and are ranking for 662 words organically. And so I can actually take a look and see which keywords those are. So over here, it'll list the keyword, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic they get from that keyword. And so we can go through and pick which ones apply to what you do, which ones bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate those keywords into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I can actually do the exact same thing with the backlinks that I just did for the keywords. And so right now they have 265 backlinks. We definitely want to get a lot more than they have, but we don't want to just beat them out quantity wise. We want to beat them out quality wise as well. So we can go through here and we can pick through and snag the best backlinks that they have, and we can see which ones are high powered by which ones have a high DR domain rating. So we want to get the best ones from here. We can get the best ones from some other competitors and find some on our own. And so they have 265 backlinks. That is definitely beatable. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. So over here, before I wrap everything up, I typed in your site into Ahrefs. Right now, you guys have 24 backlinks from 5 different domains and are ranking for one keyword. So let's just see what that one keyword is. So it is your company name. So if someone wasn't already looking for you, it would be pretty hard for them to find you. So the 3 things that we talked about were number 1, adding in some more quality educational content with the right amount of high volume keywords. Number 2, getting more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more relevant, high powered backlinks. And then also another thing, definitely make sure that you get your site secured. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more or possibly teaming up, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.